Jenny tour me here and their farm. Richard, my dear, look at that.
This is the maternity pen where the cows are going to have babies.
Oh.
We bring them up here and they have their babies in the straw there.
That's the one, the straw. So you are not. I thought you remove the straw every day and then change it every day. But you just put
it on top and then remove it every 3 months. Take it all out.
So that it's in here there.
Yeah, we clean this every night.
Oh, you clean that?
Every night the front part gets cleaned.
Yeah.
And then the back part every few months it builds up.
Why they are not smelly? You put a chemical in here?
No, they smell.
Or maybe the way that the food they eat is not smelly. It depends on the food.
This is silage.
What is silage?
This is their food.
Ah, okay. Ah, yeah.
It has a little sour smell because it ferments.
Yeah, it's not smell of grass or something. Oh,
but it's just grass that has fermented in the bags. See, we have all those bags to feed them with.
Oh.
I'm taking some younger cows that are outside. Yeah, little pups.
Hello, babies. Oh, maybe they're saying, oh, we want to eat. Oh, we have friends coming. More.
In the summertime, they go out across the field and up into the woods. And they just can live in the woods and come back and get their grain.
Oh.
But you see, when they get a little bit bigger from those little hutches, they come in here.
So it means that you know the ages of something like that.
Yeah.
This one, it takes how many years to have a milk, to get the milk in here?
They're usually about 2 years old when they have when they milk.
This one, how old they are?
They're only
less than a year. 1 year?
Yeah, they're less than a year.
Less than a year?
Yeah, these are a few months.
Yeah, in the Philippines, this is the cow as big. This is a little. This one is big.
Yeah,
I think
this one was born.
There's a date. 9/20. Sorry, baby.
May the 21st.
Yeah. May 6. Yes, 6/5/21.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The baby dog. There's a dog. A big dog. Oh.
That wheelbarrow. We bring it out and get this and put the grain, and then we run it over to them and give them their grain. But their silage, that's what they're eating there, that comes off the tractor. And the tractor has a side pull on it that rolls, and it just shoots out the silage.
Oh, so it means that they have a time, what time they eat, or 7 o'clock. There's 7 o'clock. You have already set it already that 7 something like that. Oh.
But these guys eat all the time. Like there's food there all the time. They'll get more tonight, and the guys go with the fork and push up that food. But these guys,
this one is big as that one.
Yeah, these are the dry cows. They're gonna.
What do you mean dry cows?
They're not milking.
This is male.
Milk. No, they're female.
They're female.
But they get holiday for 2 months or so before they have a calf. We don't take their milk, and they just get to come out here and laze about, and then just before they calve, we bring them in to the maternity pen.
Okay. That's the one. I thought 5/18. January, March, April, May. No, May. They're only born May.
This one was born yesterday. I think.
Baby.
These are ones that get fed by the bottle.
something like a milk?
Yeah, they get their mother's milk, but in a bottle.
In a bottle. Oh.
Yeah.
So you get newborn. 5 of them. Oh, you're looking at your mommy?
There's more calves over there.
Yeah, the baby's one. I'm here. Jenny toured me and their farm. Hello, what is your name?
Tiny.
Huh?
Tiny.
Tiny. Tiny?
Yeah.
He's big for tiny.
Get milk.
Oh.
They walk in here and they stand like that, 8 on each side, and then
So the milk is in here in the bottle?
yeah, and it goes up through the filter. This is a filter thing, and then up through and over into the tank.
The tank outside.
The tank is in the other room. We just passed it, and these are the milk cows too.
So the cows, you will bring the cow here?
Yeah,
No?
yeah. I go
One by one. Okay.
8 at a time.
8 at a time.
Yeah.
Oh.
And that's when Steen milks on the weekend, I move the cows in for him.
Oh. Okay. There's a weekend, Saturday, Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is a cleaner, and we dip each teat, and then we take the paper towel and we clean them, and then we squeeze each teat some milk out.
And
To
then?
make sure that the milk doesn't have any lumps and is okay. And then pulsing, it goes gently.
Squeeze.
And they like it. But right now they're going to be washed. Like they get washed automatically twice a day.
Milk tank.
All the way back here. This is where we keep the milk.
So how many days the milk stay here?
Every other day the truck comes. Every second day.
What is this? That's the one that for?
This is for different things, cleaning, like cleaning the milk machines and the tank, the washers and stuff.
Oh, too many. You will buy a lot of chemicals, eh?
And the guys wash their clothes and hang them up here.
It's nice.
So there's a cow in heat with their collars if she needs to be bred, because we do all AI breeding, like there's no bull.
This is a cow? Where they are.
Like if,
You can track.
like here, dry up, check out udder health. 30 days in milk. They've milked for a month. This one is pregnant and bred 6 weeks on these ones.
Moo. Moo. Moo.
Pasay que besaran, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasay que besaran, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasay que besaran, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri. Pasei que pesarán, le con so skiri, 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 skiri.